This is Locker 24891. Let's do this thing. Heather was insisting I did something called the Pokemon dance. And I don't know what that is. All right, 24891. This is basketball. The first one. Good luck. Five times, here we go. Isn't there some sort of editing trick to the Apple one, though? 1, 2, like you have to make it go fast or something. 3, 4, and 5. Top is the Heat. Bottom is the Suns, that is 5 times. Now, I think we're all settled on the Apple one. God, so brat, Dale. You ever heard people say that?
I just saw someone say it in the chat.
Oh.
Something about a brat.
It is for the Bulls. The big old 8. Zach LaVine. That is very nice. We've had a few boxes like that. Who has the Bulls there?
I don't know.
It's spot 9, Jeff Sal. I think we can come to a pretty safe consensus